Welcome back to the second segment of the series. In our last lesson, we saw that you can deduce a minor scale from its relative major scale, right? And we also saw that this scale that you deduce is called a natural minor scale, basically, right? We ended on natural minor. It is that minor scale that you derive from a major scale, from its relative major scale. Okay, we said that you can construct a minor scale from any major scale, starting on the 6th degree of that major scale. All right? Okay, so I hope it's understood from the previous lesson. We said a minor scale starts on the 6th degree of any major scale. Then I gave you the example of A minor and C major. So we now know that A minor and C major are related. A minor is the relative minor of C major, and C major is the relative major key of A minor. Right. So now we are still on minor scales. Each minor key is 2 scales. Each minor key is 2 scales, 2 different types of scales. Okay? The first one is called the harmonic minor scale. The second one is called the melodic minor scale. So the first one, melodic minor scale, the second, harmonic minor scale. And it, all right. I hope it's understood. So we have said that the minor scale that you deduce from the relative major scale is a basic or a general form of minor called the natural minor. But now we want to go a step ahead and construct the 2 forms of minor that are found in a minor key. The 2 forms of minor scales that are found in a minor key. Hence you see written here, each minor key is 2 scales. The harmonic minor scale and the melodic. These are 2 different types of scales. We now focus our attention to the harmonic minor scale. The harmonic minor scale. Harmonic minor scale. Harmonic minor. Before we go any further, this material is on page number 14 of your practice book, grade 2. If you don't have the hard copy, I sent you on Monday the soft copy in PDF form. You can use that to refer to what we are doing here. So we're now focusing on the harmonic minor scale. Point number 1. The harmonic minor scale differs from the natural minor that we saw in the previous lesson. How does it differ? The harmonic minor scale raises the 7th degree. The 7th degree of the natural minor by a semitone. Of the natural minor. Of the natural minor. Of the natural minor by a semitone. By a semitone. Right. So we are saying that the harmonic minor scale raises the seventh degree of the natural minor we saw in the previous lesson by a semitone. Right. Example. I'll give you an example. Example. Right. We saw that A minor is related to C major, right? And we wrote the scale of the A minor, form that we deduced from the C major scale, which we called the natural minor. So the first step that we need to do is to write that natural minor without any accidental. So here we've got the A minor. We want to construct the A minor harmonic. Harmonic form, or some say A harmonic minor. They are sometimes used interchangeably. Right. We want to construct the harmonic form of A minor, or the A minor harmonic. Right? The first step is write down the natural minor. Write down the natural minor. The natural minor. Right, that's step number one. Write down the natural minor. Natural minor, we saw it in the previous lesson. The natural minor of A is this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and back to A. This is the scale that we saw in the last lesson. But now we want to construct this harmonic minor. What does the harmonic minor do? It raises the seventh degree of the natural minor scale by a semitone. Right? If we were to number these notes, we would come up with these degrees. Degree number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 octave. Right. The harmonic minor raises the seventh note. So from A, what's note number 7? It's your G. How do we raise G by a semitone? What sign do we put there so that we raise this note by a semitone? Obviously, it's a sharp sign. We put a sharp sign here. We have now constructed the harmonic minor in A, okay? The A harmonic minor. This is now the A harmonic minor. A harmonic minor. Where we now have the notes A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, and A. Right. I'll explain again. The harmonic minor raises the seventh note of the natural minor scale by a semitone. Okay. We have seen that the A minor natural form, right? The A minor natural form does not have any accidental. It is simply A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. But the harmonic now raises note number 7 by a semitone. So the G now is now G sharp. We've now put a sharp sign. We've raised the 7th degree, note number 7 by a semitone to G sharp. So this is now the harmonic minor, the A harmonic minor. A natural minor is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. But the harmonic minor raises the G by a semitone. So we now have A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, and A. This is the A minor harmonic form. Raises the 7th note of the natural minor by a semitone. How do we raise the 7th note of that natural minor? By way of putting a sharp sign. We now go to the melody. Right. Melodic minor. In melodic minor, note number 6 and 7 of the natural minor scale are raised by a semitone, okay, when ascending. In melodic minor, note number 6 and note number 7 of the natural minor scale are raised by a semitone. Note number 6 raised by a semitone. Note number 7 raised by a semitone. When going up, when ascending. But when descending, that scale changes. When descending in the melodic minor, note number 7 and note number 6 are restored back to their natural state or to their original pitch. Okay, right. So melodic minor, note number 1, the 6 and 7, right, are raised by a semitone. Are raised by a semitone. Semitone. This is when we are ascending. When we are ascending, that means going up the scale. Okay. Note number 2. Note number 6 and 7